For a long time we believed that our genes controlled our destiny, that if a disease ran in our family, we were bound to develop it too. If heart disease, cancer, or diabetes was common among our ancestors, we assumed our fate was sealed. But modern science, particularly the field of epigenetics, has completely transformed our understanding of genetics and health. We now know that genes do not single-handedly create disease. Instead, the environment, both external and internal, plays a crucial role in how our genes are expressed. While we may inherit certain genetic predispositions, it is not just the genes themselves that matter, but the signals they receive that determine whether they are turned on or off. When we think of environmental factors affecting our genes, we often consider things like pollution, diet, or exposure to toxins. But there is another, often overlooked environment at play, the one inside our own bodies. Our internal landscape, our thoughts, emotions, and biochemical reactions also send signals to our genes, influencing whether they switch on or off. How does this work? Emotions are more than just fleeting feelings. They are chemical messengers. Every experience we have in the external world generates an emotional response, which in turn produces a biochemical reaction inside us. If we repeatedly react to stress, fear, or anger, our body is constantly flooded with stress-related chemicals, which can signal genes linked to inflammation and disease to become more active. Over time, this chronic state can lead to illness. Conversely, when we cultivate feelings of love, gratitude, joy, and inner peace, we create a biochemical environment that supports healing and vitality. These elevated emotions produce a different internal chemistry, one that can promote the expression of genes linked to health, resilience, and longevity. The most empowering truth of epigenetics is that we are not at the mercy of our genetic code. While we may carry certain inherited traits, we are the authors of how those traits express themselves. Through conscious choices, our thoughts, emotions, lifestyle, and environment, we can influence our genetic activity in ways that support our highest potential. This understanding shifts us from being passive victims of our DNA to active participants in our own health and evolution. If emotions and beliefs shape our inner environment, then healing begins not just with medicine or external interventions, but with our own consciousness. By choosing higher states of being, by shifting from fear to trust, from stress to calm, from resentment to love, we create the conditions for true transformation at the deepest level, our biology. Every choice you make is a message to your body. By elevating your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings, you reprogram your genetic expression and step into a new level of health, vitality, and spiritual awakening. To put this into practice, consider these key steps. Intentional living. Your thoughts, beliefs, and words act as signals to your cells. Practicing gratitude, visualizing your ideal future, and living in alignment with your highest truth create a genetic expression of health and vitality. Meditation and breathwork. A calm mind and deep conscious breathing reduce stress, balance hormones, and activate genes linked to healing, clarity, and longevity. Nature connection. Immersing yourself in nature, walking barefoot, breathing fresh air, and soaking in sunlight helps regulate your nervous system, reduce inflammation, and support cellular repair. Emotional mastery. How you respond to life shapes your biochemical state. Processing emotions consciously, rather than reacting with stress or fear, sends positive signals to your genes, promoting inner harmony and resilience. High vibrational relationships. The energy of those around you influences your well-being. Surround yourself with people who uplift, inspire, and support you. Love, kindness, and deep connections create a biochemical environment that nurtures healing and expansion. So what story do you want your genes to tell? The power to rewrite your genetic script lies within you.